Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Syncing your Gmail account with Apple Mail is a simple process that keeps all your messages organized in one place. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on Mail, then select the Accounts option. Tap Add Account and choose Google from the list of service providers. A secure browser window will pop up asking you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your full Gmail email address and tap Next. Then, carefully enter your password. If you use two-factor authentication, follow the prompts on your screen to verify your identity. Once you are successfully signed in, you will see a list of sync options like Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Make sure the toggle switch next to Mail is turned green. You can also sync your contacts and calendars if you want them to appear automatically in your other Apple apps. Tap Save in the top right corner to finish. Now, open the Apple Mail app and you should see your Gmail inbox starting to download all your recent messages. To ensure everything stays updated in the background, go back to the Accounts menu and tap Fetch New Data. Set your Gmail account to the fetch setting and choose a frequency like every 15 minutes. On a Mac computer, the process is very similar. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Go to Internet Accounts and click Add Account. Select Google and follow the same sign-in steps. Check the box for Mail and click Done. Your Gmail folders and labels will now appear perfectly in the sidebar.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.